So you've got a piece you love, but it's just not the right wood tone. Can you fix it without stripping? Let me show you how. Welcome to another episode of Workshop Wednesday, where I dive deep into a question that you've asked. So I get questions a lot about how do I fix a piece of furniture that's not the right wood color, and can I do it without stripping? And the answer is yes, you can, and it's surprisingly easy. So I'm going to show you how to do that on this mirror. This technique also works really well if you've got a piece that has a few scratches or maybe just a few spots that you're not too happy with, some age over time. You can use this technique as well to fix it up and make it look like new. So let's dive in. Let me show you what you need. All right, here's what you need to do this project. I'm going to do it on this mirror, but you can use it on any wood surface that you've got. You are going to need some water-based wood stain. I don't think this will work unless you get water-based stain. So don't ask me if you can use oil-based because it won't work the same. Grab yourself some water-based. I'm using General Finishes. You can use any brand you want. A brush, don't overthink this here. This is just a little detail brush. You can use a chip brush, a sponge brush. You can use anything you have. Just grab something that will get the stain on the piece. And a rag. This is just an old t-shirt. I'm gonna cut into little pieces so I can wipe back some excess. If your surface is shiny or smooth or anything like that, you're gonna need some sandpaper to scuff it up first. This is 220 grit sandpaper. This mirror actually is not at all smooth. It's got really a lot of grain, and it's actually a little bit rough. So I'm not gonna use this step, but if you need to, just scuff sand it like I've showed you in lots of other videos. Apply your stain like you would paint using your brush. Do go in the direction of the green though, because we do want to mimic as much of that wood look underneath as we possibly can. Now, if you like how it looks just by applying it with a brush, you can certainly leave it, or grab your rag and begin to wipe back any of the excess color, just taking off enough until you like the look and you're happy with the way it is looking. Work in sections. You don't want this to begin to dry before you've had time to wipe back the excess or get it the way you like it. So just work a section at a time, applying stain in each section and then getting it the desired look that you want. Once you're happy with the way it looks and the color, just let it sit and dry. It is water-based, so it really won't take very long to dry, and then you can do a second coat if you'd like, or be ready for top coat. And that's all there is to it. Did you know you could use stain that way? It is a super fun and easy process to use stain more like a glaze than an actual stain. And don't forget, this has to be water-based stain. It will not work with oil-based stain. Once you let it dry, if you want to do a second coat to darken it a little bit, you can certainly add more layers than just one. And then once you're happy with the color and it's completely dry, you can add top coat to it. 1 to 2 layers of top coat directly over the last layer of stain is all that you will need to protect your piece and give it the durability that it needs. Now, I'm not going to show you how this turned out yet. I've got some more videos coming your way and a bigger project that this mirror will be featured in, so I can't wait to show you how it turns out here in just a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. I would love to hear from you in the comments below what you might use this technique on. Are you going to stain something or restain something? I would love to find out. So don't forget to drop your comments and your questions below. I will meet you there and answer all of them for you, and one of them I might just turn into a video. So until next time, have a good one. We'll see you later.